created so much for ourselves, whether if it is work, whether if it is our family life, whether if it is whatever is supposed to be done to make sure that our responsibilities are kind of accomplished. बच्चे ये सिखाते हैं. हम जब छोटे थे बचपन के अंदर में, आज के भी बच्चों को अगर आप देखोगे तो उन्होंने कुछ ना कुछ. So Gianna, what do you think about the adults of today's times, including me? Are we bored people or really smart?
Kind of boring. You
Boring?
get so wrapped up in work.
Why are we bringing it forward is that this is how we feel that we've lived a more happy life. If somebody wants to do it, great.
If
they don't,
let them. I honestly have no idea, but I think it was when we were going ding dong ditching on Halloween to give me the freedom to do whatever I think's right also.
But yeah, that's because I've started giving freedom to myself. If I was not giving freedom to myself, I would have never given freedom to you, by the way. That is the case. So let me be free. You know what's the biggest myth you realize at 45? That success equals happiness. No doubt, success makes you very, very comfortable. But happiness, no, it isn't guaranteed. जब 10 का था तो मैं जीता था सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने लिए. 15 का होते ही इस दुनिया को जीतने के मैंने खूब सपने लिए. अगले 30 साल जिंदगी बनाने की दौड़ में मैं यहां वहां भागता रहा. 45 का हुआ तो लगा मेरे पीछे छूट गए बचपन ने मुझे कहा, कभी यहां मुड़ के देख लो, हर रोज इस रास्ते से गुजरते हो. सबके लिए कर लिया इतना, अब ये बताओ अपने लिए क्या करते हो, अपने लिए क्या करते हो. Today's episode, the second one, is with Gianna Chabra, 11-year-old child, but it's not a kid episode. It's a mirror episode. जहां पे हम देखेंगे कि हम बचपन के अंदर में क्या करते थे और काश आज भी हमारा जीवन उसी बचपने में कट रहा होता. So let's begin. चलो भाई स्टार्ट करें. जियाना, जियाना, जियाना बेटा, ओए जियाना,
What?
शुरू करें यार.
Fine, but jaldi karo. I want to go home and finish my book.
Ma'am, even I have work. I've come from my office here.
Really? All you do at office is sit on your table and give everyone orders.
तो आपकी टीचर भी यही करती है.
No, she has to handle students who go screaming all the time and laughing all the time.
You don't know what the case is in my office too.
Okay, let's just get started. I already told you.
So Gianna, the summer vacations are on. How are they treating you and how are you killing time?
Killing time?
Yep.
I don't have time.
मतलब?
Mama's put me in 100 classes.
100 classes? उसके पैसे कौन दे रहा है?
Okay, 7 classes,
Okay.
but emotionally 100.
How are 7 classes equal to emotionally 100 classes?
Because I don't get time to read my book. And that's just depressing.
So that's okay. I mean, you have times to do seven new things you're learning, I'm sure, on your classes. So why just go after your books so madly? क्या हो गया? ऐसे देखने की क्या जरूरत है? It's fine. Books. What is there in the books? Tell me. I want to know today.
Okay, it's my favorite thing to do.
Okay.
And it's going on an adventure somewhere else while you're literally just sitting at home doing nothing.
But people love movies. Why books, beta?
Books give you the freedom to imagine things. They let you think of your own possibilities, think of the surroundings or how a character looks or whatever. Movies practically just show you everything.
And what do you love reading?
A bunch of books. There are a lot of series. I love Enid Blyton books. I love Percy Jackson series. I like Harry Potter, and then the Chris Colfer books.
So all of these are writers or names of the books?
Okay, so Chris Colfer is an author.
Okay.
Rick Riordan is an author.
Okay.
J.K. Rowling is an author.
Okay.
And Enid Blyton is an author.
And what kind of books are these?
They're mostly they're adventure. So Chris Colfer, Percy Jackson and Harry Potter are more like fantasy
Okay.
and adventure, while Enid Blyton is just adventure and
And which amongst these is your favorite?
Percy Jackson.
And what's so special about his books?
So basically, it's ancient Greek, the ancient Greek history mixed with different possibilities and so it makes you feel smarter.
Smarter.
Yeah, because you know more about the ancient history things. And it's just fun to read.
The only thing which I know about Greek is the Greek salad.
Oh my good God.
So, Gianna, some other thing about the books that you can tell me.
Yeah, so Percy Jackson, like, it includes all the Greek gods like Athena, Poseidon, Zeus, Hades, all of them.
जो आप बोल रहे हो ना मुझे समझ में आ रहा है ना ही जो मेरे ऑडियंस है उनको समझ में आएगा. This is probably something which your kind of readers can only relate to. But it's okay. Go ahead. It's okay.
Then Harry Potter is literally just like magic and stuff. And then Enid Blyton is just like school stories, like adventures with friends. And Chris Colfer, like one of the series is Land of Stories, where there are two twins who go on adventures. So their grandmother was like the fairy godmother.
Nice. So, other than books, what do you enjoy?
So golf with you and Mannat sometimes. Then pickleball with Mannat and Ritha Prisha.
And
Writing.
writing.
Yeah. But only for like fun, not serious things. Like things which I like to write.
Okay. I remember you wrote a book couple of years back.
Yep. Hectic Holidays Down Under.
Oh, I have it.
you-
I think I have bought a copy of the book. Should be around here somewhere. I think I'll just call for it in a while. So tell me about that book a little bit. What is it all about, and how did you start writing it? What was the idea behind
this
it?
book is like a travel journey of when I went to Australia. As you can see, it says Down Under.
Okay.
So the continent which is down under Australia. So we went to visit some family friends and we went on cool experiences like the Sydney Harbour Bridge. We visited Melbourne and a lot more stuff. So I started this. So we had come back from Australia. It was around the start of our summer break. I was chilling on the couch reading my books with my and then you come. CCW. Don't be so lazy.
What is
Make
CCW?
Shh. No one should know.
Well, that means Chokhi Chashme Wali.
Okay. So you tell me, don't be so lazy. How about we do something fun this summer and we start writing a book?
Okay.
And then it started. At first it was fine, but it was a lot of editing, a lot of hurting of my hand, and a lot of thinking. Then a lot of typing and a lot of crying in the fourth chapter because I was unable to write anything.
Mhm.
One of my favorite chapters was like The Forgetful Dad, which was all about you leaving a bunch of stuff at the airport. If anyone wants to know, they'll have to read.
Well, I left my laptops at the golf club this Sunday while you were with me, if you remember.
Yeah.
When I came home, I remembered, oh my God, two laptops were there, and then I called them coming to pick it again.
Well, your forgetfulness helped me make my book a bit better. And then we also reached to the Australian High Commissioner.
That was after your book was published.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we met Nick McCaffrey,
Who is?
the deputy high commissioner.
Okay.
So he looked through our book, we visited him, we told him what it was about, all of that.
So you presented him a copy.
Yes.
Oh, that's great. How was the experience?
Really cool, but I was so nervous.
Oh, why?
He had like really high authority or whatever, so it was like really scary.
Nice. And then you had a big book launch as well.
Yeah.
How was that?
Oh, it was like a 2-hour long thing. My throat was dry of speaking.
But your friends actually had a good fun.
Yeah, we even played games and stuff. At one point, I kind of forgot my line, so I had to pick the paper out of my pocket, but then it fell, and then I just had to somehow remember it.
So if somebody wants to in today's time write a book, is it something that is, I mean, a very hard job, or it's something which is fun to do, or it is something that you would enjoy?
It's a mix.
Okay.
So basically, when you start, you're all hyped up, energetic. Oh, I'm gonna do this. And the beginning, it starts good. But as you get to the middle, it becomes a little harder. What do I write? Does this seem good? Where are my punctuations? Oh no, what do I write?
Okay.
It's a very long journey. Like, you'll have to do multiple drafts. Takes like 2 months or something to write a worthy book, I'm guessing. So it takes a lot of time. But in the end, you're happy with the result. Like, it's pretty good. Like, you're like, oh wow, I finally finished it. I'm like so happy all of that hard work was worth it, you know.
And how is the tag, which is like the tag of being an author?
I don't really like think of it much, honestly.
Okay. So what you enjoyed was the writing part of it.
Oh yeah, like the funny parts, like the Forgetful Dad, some some of the experiences on the Sydney Harbour Bridge, and the parts where I wrote about fighting with my sister, since just fun.
And your sister also, I believe, did a
Illustrations,
yeah,
yes.
she did the entire illustrations for the book, right?
Yeah, they were kind of mismatched, but I liked them. They were crazy just the way I am.
So you didn't thank her for that, or you did?
Oh, I did. At first, only my name was written on the cover page, but then I made you guys write my sister's name on it.
Which is Toyanvi.
Yes.
That is pretty nice.
Yeah.
पहली बार जिंदगी में कुछ ऐसा किया जिसमें आपने
Excuse
कहा,
me?
Of course, I know about it, and I'm saying truth in front of this
I'll
camera.
actually take my red camera.
So वो तो देना ही पड़ेगा कुछ ना कुछ तो. It's always pay basis, right? फ्री में कोई काम थोड़ी ना होता है इस दुनिया के अंदर में. करना ही पड़ेगा ना, right?
She does not let me take her camera. Once I tried asking her and she started crying.
ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? हम कोई और बात करने के लिए बैठे
Achha,
हैं.
okay, let's continue.
But next year again you started writing a book.
Yes, that was Hectic Holidays, Switzerland.
Switzerland मतलब?
Switzerland and Italy.
And how did that effort go?
Well, I tried hard, but the thing is, I didn't have much to write about. I didn't feel it was like very good. I just didn't like the end product.
But was the book ready?
It was mostly ready, yeah. There's just one like chapter left, I think, of us coming back on the flight home, I'd say. But I was like, wait, I don't like the end product. It's just not up to the level. It's not as good as my old book. And so there was nothing like very fun in there or anything. It was just a normal vacation, you know?
So you dumped your own writing.
Yeah.
And didn't it hurt you?
Well, I did feel like miserable. I'm like, oh my god, all of that hard work goes for nothing. So it did, but like, what's the point of publishing if it's like no good, you know?
Oh my god. And you were like, okay, छोड़ो कोई बात नहीं.
Well, it took some convincing, but eventually, yeah.
Who convinced you?
Mama.
So she was like कि नहीं अच्छी नहीं है, बेकार बनी है.
She was like, you can do better and stuff, and I knew I could, so
Okay, but your reading continued,
yeah, of course.
and you've been continuously reading for past 2-3 years.
Yeah, it's not like I've stopped writing anyway. I like write small poetry things. I write short tales.
सब
Like
कुछ copy
from,
करो मेरा.
excuse me.
Anyways, go ahead. Yeah, you write poetry and
Yeah, I write like short little tales and stuff, like fictional tales, of course. And then for like Mother's Day, for the teachers on the last day of school, I wrote poetry and stuff.
so you enjoy your writing and you enjoy your reading, or what do you enjoy more?
Reading, but writing I also enjoy, but only when it's not forcefully. Like
When it's not?
when I'm not forced to like do it.
Okay.
So when I'm like, wait, I think that I have an idea. Wait, this could work out. Let's try and write something.
अच्छा, मतलब अगर फोर्स करें आपको, स्कूल वाले कहें कि नहीं बेटा कुछ लिख के लाना है, तो आपको लिखने में मजा
No,
नहीं आता.
then like when they give options and stuff, it becomes a little more clear. But otherwise, you don't really know what to write about. It gets very confusing.
No, you just mentioned no that you enjoy writing when no one forces you. Then how does the idea pop into you? कि क्या लिखना
So
है, क्या नहीं लिखना?
basically, I'm just going through something. I've read a book, okay, and I'm thinking of random possibilities which may not happen. And then I'm like, wait, I could write a tiny little tale about this or whatever.
So जियाना एक बात बताओ, recent time में कुछ लिखा है अच्छा?
Oh yeah, I've written a piece of poetry on hope.
On hope.
Yeah.
Was this after when you had kind of abandoned the idea for your second book?
Yeah, so it was for the Hope Festival competition in school.
Okay.
So I've written it. So
Okay.
the moment I reached home, we got into a fight. Mom said, by tonight, you have to write. I told her, it's late. There's no scope. She smiled and said, do it. I'll give you hope. Sometimes all you see is darkness, and the day seems endless. You're looking around for happiness, but all you see is hopelessness. Hope will be your guiding star. It'll take you forward no matter how far. It reminds you that even when days are tough, doing your best is just enough. Hope is the base. It's the start of the long race. It helps you grow more than you know. It shelters you It helps you cut through. It helps you stay happy and say, woohoo! It doesn't matter when, even if you have no clue on what to do. Just try again, since hope tells you there is nothing you can't do. Hope is not loud. It is a small part in you that you have found. Even if you fall, hope helps you get up and stand tall. Our heart filled with motivation. Every day feels like a celebration. So next, this is because of hope. It gives you the scope. So next time you feel there's no scope, just search for that little bit of hope.
ये आपने पक्का खुद लिखी है, चैट जीपीटी ने लिखी है?
खुद.
अच्छा जी, दैट्स गुड यार, आप तो काफ़ी सीख रहे हो मेरे से। अब आपको एक कहानी मैं भी सुनाता हूँ, सॉरी पोएट्री, सुन लोगे?
Yeah.
हिंदी में है।
Okay.
सो जब जियाना ने अपनी किताब लिखी थी जिसके अंदर में कि तोयनवी का भी एक रोल है, मेरी बड़ी बेटी का, तो उस समय मैंने ये अपनी किताब अपने लिखता हूँ के अंदर में एक कविता लिखी थी दैट वाज अबाउट बेसिकली यू नो द अचीवमेंट ऑफ द बुक। सो इट वाज कि कहानी तू सुनाती अच्छी, दिल में ये ख्याल आया। कहानी तू सुनाती अच्छी, दिल में ये ख्याल आया। किताबें तू पढ़ती रहती है कि दिल मेरा भी ललचाया। क्यों ना तू भी एक लेखक बन जा, पक्का तू सफल बन सकती है। पक्का कुछ बड़ा करेंगे बच्चे मेरे, विश्वास मुझे मेरी माँ की भक्ति है। घूम रहे थे हम विदेश, बन रहे थे किस्से सुहाने। उठाई कहानी, बनी तू लेखक, सबको लगा ये तो है जाने अनजाने। कितनी मेहनत करी फिर तूने, पढ़ी जिसने उसने ये माना है। बहुत बढ़िया किताब है ये, क्या खूबसूरत चित्रकार और लेखक मेरी बेटियां तोयनवी और जियाना। तालियां तो मार दे। That's so bad. You don't even clap for me. पता है कितनी तालियां बजती हैं जब मैं कहीं पे खड़ा होकर एक कविता बोलता हूँ तो। दिस वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम एक बंदे ने बोली है। चलो कोई बात नहीं,
एक बंदा ही तो है पापा.
ये बात तो मैंने सोची नहीं, यहाँ तो एक ही बंदा है तो एक ही मारेगा, वो भी मरवानी पड़ेगी मेरे को।
I was
चलो,
waiting for it to continue.
so you thought that it's still going on. That's good. That's good. But what I really like about you, Gianna, today is that despite I'm sure you have work from school, you go to classes, mama puts you in whatever you know new thing that comes up. For example, if it is AI or
Public
whatever
speaking.
classes I recall,
Public
but
speaking.
still public speaking, yeah, of course, golf or whatever pickleball you play, but still you have something that you've managed for yourself, which is not pushed by either of us. This is something that you have not inherited from us but created on your own. And I'm sure that this gives you a lot of happiness, peace, and because what I see is at times when I come back home, I keep shouting the way we started this episode, and you are like always lost in your books. And the most happy gift that you get from us whenever we go out for anything is always the kind of books that you enjoy. And that's something that I think a lot of adults in today's time are missing. We've all created a life for ourselves, so though it's not for you, I mean this part of the episode isn't for you, but this is something that we need to see, that we've created so much for ourselves, whether if it is work, whether if it is our family life, whether if it is whatever is supposed to be done to make sure that our responsibilities are kind of accomplished, but there's nothing much that we've done for ourselves. बच्चे ये सिखाते हैं, हम जब छोटे थे बचपन के अंदर में, तो मेरे ख्याल से हम कुछ ना कुछ अपने लिए किया करते थे। आज के भी बच्चों को अगर आप देखोगे तो उन्होंने कुछ ना कुछ पकड़ा हुआ है, बट जैसे ही थोड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आती हैं, आई थिंक दोज थिंग्स दे जनरली लूज interest, or I would say the other important things take over, and we tend to lose our passion, our happiness, or whatever. But seeing that a child of 11-year-old writing a book, seeing that a child of 11-year-old being so passionate about reading, I think we should also learn from her and probably do something for ourselves. जैसे आई थिंक आप अपने लिए
I read.
आई रीड, और आई वुड से
Right.
शुक्र है, नहीं राइट नहीं, राइट मेरा है। मैं अपने लिए लिखता हूँ, so read is better for you. I'm just joking. Yeah, she reads and she writes. सबका कुछ ना कुछ अपने लिए होना चाहिए. That's what I think. So Gianna, what do you think about the adults of today's times, including me? Are we bored people or really smart?
Kind of boring. You
Boring?
get so wrapped up in work, you don't really have much time to do the fun things.
Like,
Well, no one really does anything for themselves. I mean, you do something, you write for yourself, you're doing these podcasts, you're talking, you do your poetry, you make your speeches.
Maybe other people do. We don't know. You know me, and that
So
is the
the
reason you're
thing
saying
is,
this.
like, some people, the thing is, not all adults, but like, there are few people who are just so invested in their work, they don't do anything else.
That probably is still the right statement, but you can't make out. Yeah, correct.
There's some people, not everyone. That's the
Do you
thing.
know some of those kind of people?
I mean, I've heard of them. I'm not really sure.
But no, but yeah, there are quite a lot. So they are totally invested into their work and don't have time for
Yeah,
anything for
it could
themselves.
be like maybe it could be someone who's very rich, okay? So they're trying to do something for their business, okay? To keep up everything. So they don't really have much time to do anything for themselves, you know?
Maybe they enjoy that.
Yeah, but the thing is, what's their hobby? Like, if their hobby is mixed with their work, that's good. But like separately, they might have some hobby, like maybe some specific sport, maybe writing, maybe reading, anything.
Whatever keeps them happy. We are not.
Yeah,
We're
exactly.
nobody to judge here. But the thing is that what we
Whatever they
understand,
like, whatever their
what
hobby
we
is.
understand from this conversation, or why are we bringing it forward, is that this is how we feel that we've lived a more happy life. If
Yeah.
somebody wants to do it, great.
If
they
they don't, let them be,
it's
I
their
guess.
choice.
It's
We are
like
we
their
are not
choice,
gurus, or we
exactly.
are not somebody who's teaching this. We're just the kind of people who live life very normally, but enjoy doing this silly stuff. Which is, I call this my little madness, and it's something which keeps me more like a child. जैसे आप लोग करते हो, मैं कई बार देखता हूँ आप लोग नीचे जाते हो और साथ में सैंड पिट के अंदर में, और you do stupid stuff. I think that's okay. That's supposed to be done. That's how
Or
life
when
is
we
supposed
go
to
to
be.
the hotel rooms, we take a tour on our cameras, make a whole vlog. So it's like, we
Tell me
just
the
do whatever
funniest thing
we
that you've
enjoy.
done with your friends, or the most
Funniest.
funniest. I mean, something which has been like, oh my god, what did we just do?
I honestly have no idea, but I think it was when we were going ding dong ditching on Halloween, and one of my friends wanted more candy or something. But while we were like running away, they dropped their Halloween candy, and we just like started running across the street. And then we went on a whole hunt looking for the Halloween basket, and we're like, oh my gosh, where did we leave it? We went around everywhere except for that one house, thinking they would scream at us. And then the next day, we were just going to like play somewhere, and we see the Halloween basket right in front of the door.
So they kept it outside,
Yeah, they just didn't open the door, I'm guessing, or they just left it.
but they kept it outside.
Yeah.
So you guys, basically, the fun part is that you lost it.
No, we went running around when we literally just crossed it like a bunch of times. Just didn't dare to look over there.
That's what life is, beta. That's what life is. You actually, pass the funny moments without even realizing it, that the fun was lying there. That's what life is. But yeah, it's good. It's good actually having a conversation with you today. It feels that, I'm actually sitting with a big author, someone who's a big passionate reader, and somebody who's giving me gyan today for a change. कि क्या बोला आपने कि लाइफ में कुछ अपने लिए करना चाहिए. बड़ी बड़ी बातें आ गई हैं जाना, वैसे आपको मैं ये देख रहा हूँ.
It's only because I keep hearing you say
You keep
a
hearing
lot
me.
of things, yeah.
Would you like to say something to the audience before we close this today?
But like as Atul uncle said, if you really want to do something, you will make time for it.
So people should.
Yeah, like whatever they want to do, it's their hobby. If they actually want to do it, they will end up making time for it.
Thank you, Diana. That was so good. I mean, I wasn't expecting you to quote someone and, bring it forward. So, what makes me happy is not your quote, is this that my last episode was at least seen by someone. I thought it's just me. That makes me so happy. I had one genuine, viewer. I don't know about the rest. But, guys, why I bought Gianna today is something which is very important. I think she is not someone like us. She's still a 11-year-old child. It's not about her accomplishments. It's not, the reason for bringing her today wasn't that we were going to talk about her books, or, her failures, which were about trying it the next time, or her hope of writing another one this year. was more that I think children are more free. They live a life which is more enjoyable. They don't take it so seriously. वो अपने लिए कुछ ना कुछ कर लेते हैं, and that's what keeps them going. I think we should also, as adults, learn from them, not just keep teaching them कि ऐसे करना चाहिए वैसे हम सिखाते हैं आपको
Sometimes.
sometimes, not always हैं हम पापा मम्मी सिखाते नहीं है ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है सिखाते ही होंगे
Yeah.
sometimes
But you also give me the freedom to do like whatever I think's right also.
but yeah, that's because I've started giving freedom to myself. If I was not giving freedom to myself, I would have never given freedom to you, by the way. That is the case. So let me be free. So anyways, yeah, so it's more about bringing her was कि enjoy करो यार ये क्या इतनी कहानी हम कर रहे हैं